Riffusion versus Suno versus Mubert. What AI song generator is better? So AI music generators are exploding right now, and whether you're a creator, streamer, or just curious, you're probably asking yourself, which one should you use? So today we're comparing all three. These are top AI tools that can generate full songs, beats, or background musics with just a few clicks. So now let's go ahead and break them down one by one. Now let's start off with Riffusion. So, Riffusion is a unique AI music tool that literally turns visual spectrograms into sounds. It's great for creating looping melodies, beats, and even vocals. Pros: cool visual to audio interface, works in your browser, fun for generating short creative sound loops, great for experiments or audio backgrounds. Cons: not designed for full songs, limited control over genre or structure, more of a tech demo than full tool. This is best for creatives who want to play with sound in an experimental type of way. All right, next we've got Suno. So Suno is basically like ChatGPT but for music. Just give it a prompt like R&B song about summer love and it writes lyrics, sings them and creates the entire track. Pros: this generates full songs with vocals and lyrics, multiple genres, styles and vibes. Super easy, just type and go. You can edit lyrics or regenerate the vibe. Now, cons: free tier has limits. You can't deeply control the mix or instruments in here. Still, AI vocals not perfect, but it is improving. So now this is best for musicians, marketers, or anyone who wants AI generated original songs fast. Now the last one we've got is Mubert, royalty-free background music. So Mubert is focused on creating looping, royalty-free music for content creators, apps, games, and streams. Pros: auto-generates music by mood or genre. Royalty-free music you can actually use commercially. Great for YouTubers, podcast intros, streamers. Available via API for developers. Cons: no vocals, instrumental only. Not really custom songs, more like background loops. Can sound repetitive if overused. Now this is best for creators and developers who need safe to use, fast background music. So use Riffusion if you want to experiment with AI sound designs and loops, or go for Suno if you want to create full songs with lyrics and vocals, fast and fun, or go for Mubert if you want or need royalty-free tracks for content, apps, or streams. Now, it really depends on what type of music you're looking to make. Background beats, go with Mubert. Full vocal songs, Suno wins hands down. And if you just want to experiment, Riffusion is your playground.